Replit has just introduced Agent 3. This is an autonomous AI agent that can work on background for up to 200 minutes. This AI agent can now test and fix its own code as part of app building process using an actual browser. This allows it to operate more autonomously. It is at least 3 times more faster and 10 times more cost effective than computer use models for testing. So now anyone can build agents and automations using Agent 3 to automate complex and repetitive tasks. Users can interact with these AI agents through platforms like Slack and Telegram. So it is a new paradigm in AI development that feels closer to working with another human than it does working with a computer. So before we dive deep and test this Agent 3 from Replit, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well. To start using Replit, just go to replit.com and then you can simply just click on sign up. Then you can just sign up using your Google account and start using Replit absolutely for free. Once you are logged in, this is how it will look like. And now you can develop maybe a web app or data app, maybe a 3D game, or maybe something like agents and automations. So in this video, to give you a demo, I'm just going to build an invoice generator app. So this is the detailed prompt for this app. So I've just provided that prompt. And now in terms of design, I can even like choose a theme as well. I can manage different themes, or I can just like choose any theme from these examples. For now, I'll just select this auto theme. So it can just like choose theme based on my requirements automatically. After that, I can simply just press on the start chat button and now it will start creating my app. So right now you can see it is in the plan mode, and once the planning will be done, then it will be in that build mode. You can see my app needed Firebase integration, so it just automatically searched for Replit's integration for Firebase and Firestore. So based on my requirements, it automatically did its own research. It found all of the resources for this application, and now it just created this detailed plan. So now I can just maybe review this plan, and after that I can ask it to start building my application. So right now you can see I have got 2 options. The first one is build the entire app. That will take around 20 plus minutes. The second option is start with a design. That will take only 5 to 10 minutes. So I think I'll just like start building the entire app. So I'll just choose this plan, and now I can simply just click on start building button. Before I click on that, you can see there is this button which is called get notified when your app is ready. So if I just move my cursor on it, so you can see there is this QR code. It is asking me to install the Replit app. So I can just maybe install that Replit app on my mobile phone. So this way I can carry on development on mobile application. I can track the progress of Agent 3 on mobile application as well. So let's suppose if Replit Agent 3 just started writing code, and now maybe it is going to take more than like 200 minutes. So once it will finish writing code and it will finish testing our app and everything is done and ready, then it can just like notify on my mobile application. So this way you can just assign tasks to Replit Agent, and then it will keep working on background and it will just like notify once it is ready. So let's just click on the start building button. Let me just press on that, and now Replit Agent 3 is in action. You can see in here Agent 3 is in action. So now based on the development plan, Agent 3 has just started the development. Now it will carry on the development autonomously, and it will notify me once the development has been completed. So based on our project requirements and based on the project plan that it created for us, it is going to set up our project and everything that is required to set up our project. And after that, it will conduct the testing, and if there will be any sort of bugs or any sort of issues, it will fix those bugs and issues, and then it will just present those results to us. So let's just wait for it to finish, and once it is done, then we can just start testing our application. Okay, so now after around 20 minutes, it has just presented this preview. So this is how our invoice generator app looks like right now. Also on this left side, you can see this notification which says I have created an MVP and identified a task list to work on. If everything looks good, continue building to make these updates to your app. So in here you can see here is the list of tasks, and these tasks include adding invoice templates and customizable branding options, implement invoice status tracking, add client management system, so create invoice search and filtering capabilities, add email functionality, and send invoices directly to the clients. So these are the tasks that Replit is suggesting us to create after we test this initial version. For now, let's just test our MVP. So I can just like provide the sender details, and I can provide the client details. So let me just fill these details. So I have just provided these sender details and these client details. These are just sample details, and now I can just provide an item as well. Let me just name this item something, and then let me just add a unit price, and now you can see based on the quantity and based on the unit price, it is updating the total invoice amount as well. We can also add tax rate as well. So let me just add maybe 12% tax, and now you can see based on the subtotal, it has just added this much tax in here. After that, I can simply just click on this save invoice button, and now you can see the invoice has been saved successfully. I can simply just click on download invoice button, and now you can see this is the invoice that it has created. This is like a proper invoice template with invoice number, date, due date, and from and send details, the item description, subtotal, tax, links and everything is provided here as we entered in there. So this is how overall a generated invoice actually looks like right now. And now if you want to continue this development, you can just like ask Replit to start working on these next tasks to add more functionalities on this product. But overall the MVP is ready, and this literally took Replit like maybe 20 minutes. Just to test, I asked Replit to enhance the overall design. So right now you can see it has just enhanced the overall design, and now it looks more cool and more advanced design. So just like that, you can keep assigning more tasks to Replit Agent, and then it will keep working on those tasks on background. In the process of development, if it will face any sort of issues, it will fix those issues by itself, because this Agent 3 has the capability to text and fix its own code. So far, performance wise, this AI agent is far more superior than any of its competitors. So if you are a non-technical person or a marketer, or maybe if you just have an idea but you don't know how to write code, you can use Replit Agent 3 to build your complete full stack applications. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section. I'll see you next video.